Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Hairibati Ismail. My metric number is S61868. So today I would like to present my individual assignment for Audit 2 ACT 3423. For this assignment, there are a case study that I have to identify two unethical dilemmas and how the person involved should safeguard their ethical principles in these situations. So the number one that I identified in this case is manipulative accounting adjustment by director. Why I said that? Because in this case, the director of finance decision to alter the accounting policy for a customer and capitalize sure salaries is a clear manipulation of monetary statement to fulfill the bonus criteria. This is unethical because it misrepresents the real economic function of the health center. So, what should Ali and Sultan do? They must firmly thought that those changes are not in accordance with commonly frequent accounting principle or worldwide financial reporting requirement. They must record their objection in writing and if necessary enhance that matter to the board of administrator or regulations government. Number two is, I found that failure to account for partnership settlement liabilities. In this case, the medical institution's failure to account for its percentage of liability below a partnership agreement is a plain commission of material information from the monetary statement that deceptive to stakeholder. So, Ali, Sultan and Co. must insist on proper disclosure and accounting for all material liabilities. They must speak the significance of correct monetary reporting to the management and board of administrator and without a doubt record their objective. So for this case, safeguarding ethical principle requiring auditor to prioritize integrity, independence and objectivity to professional standard in the face of manipulative practice and threats. Maintaining clear documentation of objection and unethical behavior is essential to support their ethical stand if challenged. So the auditor must have integrity, which is obligations on all professional accountants to be straightforward and honest in all professional and business relationships. The second one is an auditor must have objectivity, which is obligation on all professional accountants to not compromise their professional or business judgment because of bias, conflict of interest, or the undue influence of others. The next is I have to know the threat to independence for Ali Sultan and Co. that might arise. They have three threats that are found, which is number one is self-interest threat. Because of the potential loss of a major patron on a danger of negative publicity. So, Ali Sultan and Co. must prioritize the integrity and objectivity of the audit's manner over an economic considerations. They have to have clean regulation in place to deal with conflict of interest. Number one is familiarity trait for long time period counting with the hospital, which is Ali Sultan and Co. have to periodically investigate their independence in terms of the client and make sure that non-public relationship or likely standing institution to know not unduly impact their professional judgment. The third one or the last one, there are advocacy trait, which is its pressure to take a particular role on accounting treatment. Ali Sultan and Co. have to hold their objectivity and expert skepticism. They have to know not allow themselves to be swayed by way of management choices and got to adhere strictly an auditing standard. Clean document of the audit founding and tips can function a protection. The last one is we should know how do Ali Sultan and Co. can provide defenses for them if the management and board of directors of the hospital decide to take legal action on Sultan and Co. Blaming for the hospital losses was due to the auditor for justify whether auditor can succeed in their defense. So in this case, Ali can make a defense of meeting auditing standard and contributory negligence. So in this case, auditor can demonstrate their adherence to professional standard, which is they should maintain record to show that they follow GAAP adhere to GAAP or IFRS as applicable. This could include documented audit plans, procedure followed, and evidence collected during the audit. The next is Ali Sultan is likely to be successful in her defense against the client because of the contributory negligence. The company has responsibility for instituting adequate internal control. The president's statements that it was impractical to count all inventory in the same day because of personnel shortage and customer reference put considerable burden on the company for its own loss. So that's all for my presentation for individual assignment. Thank you.